real
I
quick?
did. Go. I'm in the gunner seat, yeah. Yeah, there's so many helicopters and tanks here. Nobody's getting it. Can you change the song or no?
Yeah. Can you hear it?
Yeah. Oh, freaking. Alright, go back to,
Good. I don't want to get too close to their base.
yeah, don't.
Oh, fuck. I blew up our tank, bro. God damn it.
Really? Oh. There's another tank. There's an enemy tank, though.
Yep. I'm trying.
Oh, it's so hard. Oof, got a kill.
Fucking jet. Going back to
If
Delta.
you go higher, I can get this helicopter. If you go higher. Ooh, double kill. Kill that motherfucker. The tank is still alive.
Oh, I got some vehicle damage on it.
Nice. Tank still alive. Ooh, no way I killed the freaking...
Yeah,
I wasn't even aiming, man. You can't aim with this damn hardcore.
Oh shit, what the fuck just hit us?
Oh,
Helicopter.
another helicopter. Yeah, chase it. Let me get this.
Where?
Behind us.
There it is, I see it.
Where? Oh, I see it. Yeah, keep going. We might get it. Alright, we got it.
Oh, dude, we're getting
Careful.
locked on. Oh, fuck.
Oh, that is a nice shave, bro. We're winning again. Delta.
Delta?
Yep, there's a 2 tank in Delta.
We're locked on, bro. Fuck.
Go.
Fuck. Oh.